So you want an inflatable hot tub, but don't know which one to buy? I've spent weeks researching the top models on Amazon right now, and honestly, the differences are pretty significant. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best inflatable hot tubs for 2026, covering everything from bubble jets to energy costs to real-world durability. I've linked all the products down in the description if you want to check current prices. Let's jump in, starting strong with the Intex PureSpa Plus. This is the 85-inch round model, and right away, it's clear why this thing costs more than the others. You're getting 170 bubble jets here, which is significantly more than most competitors. When I say this thing delivers a powerful massage, I mean it. The bubbles are intense. Like, you can actually feel the difference compared to models with 120 or 140 jets. What really stands out is the fiber tech construction. It's this 3-ply laminated material that feels way sturdier than regular PVC. You can actually sit on the walls without worrying it'll deflate or lose shape. I've seen cheaper models where the walls just collapse when you lean on them. Not with this one. And the built-in hard water treatment system? That's a feature you don't see on cheaper models. Basically prevents that gross calcium buildup and makes the water feel softer on your skin. If you live in an area with hard water, you know how much of a difference this makes. It fits 6 people, but let's be real, comfortably, you're looking at 4 adults without everyone being crammed together. The 28-inch height is nice though, gives you proper depth, heats up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is standard, but the energy efficient cover actually keeps that heat in pretty well. I've heard from users that it maintains temperature overnight better than expected. You also get 2 contoured headrests, LED mood lighting, and all the accessories like filter cartridges and a thermal ground cloth. Setups are surprisingly easy too. The whole package just feels premium. Again, check the link in the description for the latest Amazon price because it does fluctuate. Pros: 170 powerful jets for intense massage experience. Fiber tech construction feels incredibly durable and stable. Hard water treatment system included as standard. Cons: higher price point than most competitors. Actually fits 4 comfortably, not the advertised 6. Alright, sticking with Intex but switching to the Greystone Deluxe. This one's square, 83 inches, fits 4 people. What makes this different? 2 things: the FastFill inflation system and the app control. The FastFill is genuinely impressive. This thing inflates in under 5 minutes without needing an external hose. You just press a button and walk away. Most inflatable hot tubs take like 20 to 30 minutes, so this is a huge time saver, especially if you're setting it up for the first time or after winter storage. And the app control is actually useful, not just a gimmick like some smart home features. You can adjust temperature, turn jets on and off, set schedules, all from your phone. Pretty convenient if you want it heated up before you get home from work. It's got 140 bubble jets, so slightly less than the Plus model, but still plenty for a solid massage. The Greystone finish looks way more modern than the typical blue hot tubs everyone has. It's got that sleek, minimalist vibe that actually looks good on a patio. The energy efficient cover here claims to improve efficiency by 50%, which is noticeable on your electric bill over a few months. The wireless control panel with a 48-hour battery is cool too. You can detach it and control everything without your phone if you want. Honestly, sometimes you just don't want to pull out your phone when you're already relaxed in the tub. And yeah, same LED lighting and headrest as the Plus model. Pros: FastFill inflates in under 5 minutes total. App control works surprisingly well and is intuitive. Sleek Greystone finish looks more premium and modern. Cons: square shape means less usable interior space overall. App requires stable Wi-Fi connection to function properly. Now, let's talk Coleman. The Hawaii model is where things get interesting because Coleman focuses heavily on energy efficiency, which honestly matters more than people think. This is a 71 by 71 inch square, fits 4 to 6 people, and has 140 AirJets. The Energy Sense cover is the star here. It's supposedly 40% more energy efficient than standard covers, and honestly, I believe it. Users report lower electricity bills compared to their old hot tubs. The DuraPlus material is 33% more puncture resistant than PVC, which is reassuring if you've got pets or kids running around. It's also 50% more stretch resistant, so it holds its shape better over time. You won't see sagging or deformation after a year of use. Freeze Shield technology is clutch if you live somewhere cold. It automatically heats to prevent the internal components from freezing, so you don't wake up to a broken hot tub after a cold night. I've read reviews from people in Colorado and Minnesota who use this year-round without issues. The pump handles everything: inflation, heating, filtration, and the massage system. Super convenient because you're not dealing with multiple devices. At this price point, you're getting excellent value. The Hawaii heats up fast, the jets feel good, and the build quality is solid. It's not as feature heavy as the Intex models, but it's reliable and way more affordable to run monthly. If you plan on using this regularly, the energy savings add up fast. Pros: Energy Sense cover reduces monthly energy costs significantly. DuraPlus material is extremely puncture resistant and durable. Freeze Shield protects components in cold weather climates. Cons: fewer premium features compared to Intex models. Jets are slightly less powerful than top competition. If you're on a budget or just need something for two people, the Miami is your best bet. This is a 71 by 26 inch round tub with 120 AirJets. It's smaller, holds 2 to 4 people, realistically 2 to 3 comfortably, but it's also significantly cheaper than everything else on this list. What surprised me is it still has the Energy Sense technology with the dual cover system. You get a standard cover and a thermal cover, both included. That 40% energy efficiency claim holds up here too, which is impressive for a budget model. The Smart Hub app control is the same as the more expensive Coleman models, which is awesome. You're not losing functionality just because you're paying less. The max hold construction keeps air pressure solid, and the DuraPlus material means it's still durable despite the lower price. 2 intensity levels for the jets is a nice touch. You can go gentle or more intense depending on your mood or if you've got sore muscles. Freeze Shield is included too, so again, year-round use is possible. For couples or small spaces, this is perfect. You're not sacrificing much in terms of features, just capacity. If you don't need room for 6 people, why pay for it? Honestly, most people use their hot tubs with just 1 or 2 people anyway. Pros: best budget option while maintaining premium features. 2 jet intensity levels for massage customization. Dual cover system improves overall energy efficiency. Cons: smaller size realistically limits to 2 to 3 people. Lower water depth compared to larger premium models. Last one, the Coleman Atlantis. This is basically the middle ground option. It's 71 by 28 inches square, fits 4 to 6 people, 140 AirJets. Think of it as the all-rounder that doesn't excel in one area, but does everything well. The max hold fabric beams give it superior air retention and stability. It's not going to lose pressure overnight like cheaper models sometimes do. The 3-layer DuraPlus construction is proven puncture and damage resistant, so it can handle outdoor use year-round without babying it. Energy Sense cover and Freeze Shield are both here, same as the Hawaii. What I like about the Atlantis is the 2 built-in handles. Sounds minor, but when you need to drain and move this thing for cleaning or storage, those handles make life so much easier. Trust me, trying to move a hot tub without handles is a nightmare. It holds 222 gallons at 80% capacity, so it's substantial without being overwhelming. The Bestway Smart Hub app works great here too. Control everything remotely, set timers, adjust temps. It's a solid choice if you want something dependable without going full premium. Not the flashiest, but definitely reliable. Pros: max hold beams provide excellent long-term air retention. Built-in handles make draining and relocation much easier. Smart Hub app control included at mid-range price. Cons: less distinctive or standout features than competitors. Mid-range price without any truly unique qualities. So let's break it down. If you're on a tight budget or have limited space, go with the Bestway Miami. It's affordable, efficient, and perfect for couples. If you want a solid family option with great features, the Coleman Atlantis or Coleman Hawaii are both excellent. The Hawaii edges out slightly for better energy efficiency and durability. If you want premium features like app control and fast setup, the Intex Greystone Deluxe is fantastic for 4 people. But if you want the absolute best experience, the Intex PureSpa Plus 6-person is the clear winner. More jets, more space, better massage. It's worth the extra investment if you can swing it. Hopefully this helped you figure out which inflatable hot tub is right for you. All the links are down in the description, so check current pricing before you buy. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.